If you're feeling really overwhelmed right now, I want to remind you of 10 minutes a day and how that adds up. And I've done this before, but it's always nice to have a reminder, especially if you're feeling overwhelmed. Maybe it's about writing a book or painting or finding a home. That's a big deal to you. Whatever it is, there's a goal you want to accomplish. If you get 10 minutes a day, set 10 minutes a day towards that, that's over 60 hours in a year, and you can accomplish a lot. Writing 60 hours a year is probably going to equal a novel. It's about sitting down and committing and taking the time to do it. If you can't do 10 minutes a day, then give me 60 minutes on the weekend or 70 minutes. I'm not really good with math. If you can't give me 10 minutes, can you give me 5 minutes? Because that's just over 30 hours in a year. Start where you're able to, but even 5 minutes a day can have a huge impact. It's about saying, you know what, I've committed. This is what I want to do. I might be overwhelmed, but I can give you 5 minutes. I can give you 10 minutes, right? And as you begin to chip away at something, then you have less overwhelm, right? And if you're less overwhelmed, you're like, ah, maybe I can go a few minutes more today. Or I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to it. Ah, it feels so good to come into my space. Or wow, I wrote 10 pages. I'm so excited. Whatever it is that your goal is, then commit to that 5 to 10 minutes a day. You can do that. When you clear your clutter, you can create a life and home you love.